Here we go, YouTube. Now we got something to work with. Quick come up. I really thought it was one of my old cars at first. I had the same one. Still could be. That was fucking 20 years ago. Who knows? Because it's already crankled up and just get a whole nother fender. That's all the rust I seen. Now this little dent, that can get pulled out, that ain't bad. Yeah, I ain't see no rust. That's how we kicking it. Gotta get that pipe on there ASAP. I'm gonna leave it like this until the other LS swap's done. I ain't even touching it. I'm gonna just ride it. I think I'm gonna paint it back the same color. It look good. Yeah. Okay. Oh shit, he got the race car muffler on it. That's why I was like that. Got a little rust. It's a fucking Philly car. Look at this. Pennsylvania car. Already got Impala wheels. Wagon is pretty clean of these weird stuff on the front seats, but everything else check out good. I'm turning this light off. Is that any better? Just a little 305 with a boom tube. We got a boom tube on here. Still single exhaust, but got a boom tube right here by the back door. Deers be out here. They ain't gonna like that. I don't like the boom tube, it's too loud. But I do like this. I do like that one. I like that. That sounds good. It's too loud driving, me and my lady. Let's see it for the spin. See, it does great burnouts. Let's see. Shall see. I'm 5 minutes from home now. I can do a burnout. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh my God. Lighting both of them up too. Oh my God, I ain't smelled rubber in so long. Oh my God, I'm about to get a hard on. No bullshitting. I ain't smelled burnt rubber in so long. Yo, this made my motherfucking day. Y'all just don't understand. Y'all just don't understand. I got a lot of off-camera shit going on. This shit made my motherfucking day right here. Ooh-wee. Did y'all see that squiggly? They was side by side getting squiggly, little old 305. He said both wheels. He said he didn't got a Detroit locker in there. Shit. That was nice. Oh my God. The smell of rubber is, I never knew it was that satisfying. I did, but it been so long. Oh, that was nice. I'll put y'all back on and talk to y'all about it in person. Listen to this shit. Nigga got a straight pipe with boom tubes on it. NASCAR's on. Painted on the 21st. This is the life of a fat nigga. It's how I like to ride. I take that shit over a Mercedes, man, any day, man. Once this AC go in, the AC blow cold, heat blow hot, oh, that's all I need. Like I'm sitting on a motherfucking couch watching the game or something. Like I told my baby, by tomorrow morning, this motherfucker will be booming. I got the system out of Suburban. It will be in here tonight. I already went to Harbor Freight, got all the train, all the stuff I need, everything I need, I already got it. So it's going down. Oh, the dude say he gonna fix the rust. I ordered the fender, but them back little panels, they gonna stay just like that. We're gonna spray right over them. Ain't gonna make me no never mind. It's gonna be burgundy. WA 9800 for life. Pull up on my man. I wasn't even coming to get no car wash. My homie over here, and then the Denali that I showed y'all that we put the wheels on. Out his locker, like the motherfucking them wet spots up there. See if it can go sideways. My girl don't like that shit. Sideways. always come, every single time. That motherfucker loud, Jack. And that wasn't even loud. You gotta hear it driving. That ain't even sound that bad. And the inside, oh my God, it's so loud. I'm keeping the boom tube though. I do like it. We're gonna move it all the way to the back though. And I'm gonna put a Flowmaster Super 10 on it. Off goes the boom tube. Man, I see you shake. You see what he using? Watch how fast this go. Oh my God, I caught hell taking that muffler off. Man, that motherfucker loud, Jack. But not crusty. That's the bumper though. Pennsylvania, baby. Salt. Looks like it needs some floors. All new stainless. That's what we're gonna do with. Flow 10. It's my favorite part. Work smarter, not harder. One day I'm gonna do one of my own. Bending it, we welding up, making a bend. I love this shit, man. One day I'll be able to do this shit. already sounds so much better. You hear me? It already. Nice. That last piece you just did, that was the hanger, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. That motherfucker fire ain't playing. Keeping the boom tube. Boom tube activated. Looks like a Chevy sign in the middle too. That's how we hanging. Boom tube installed. Boom tube activated. Oh my God, so much better. It almost sounds like the Bourbon now. It sounds just like the Bourbon. I gotta put some oil leak stuff in there. I mean, ring seal or something. Oh, that show you where the leak. That's why y'all did that? Oh, that's dope. That's dope. Boom tube activated. A lot better. Thank you, man.
No problem.
To the next time.
Be careful, now I can sneak out.